Hello friends, welcome to our Osmosis Autopump India Pvt YouTube channel. I am Gurjeet Singh Bedi, one of the directors of the company, and I am head of marketing and sales. Let me introduce our company. Our company was established in 1992. Our company is involved in providing customized solutions for all types of water needs. And we have 5000 plus clients in all over India. The wide range of products are available like fully automatic digital water level control systems, which intelligently transfer the water from underground tank to overhead tank with full function display. And mainly, we have various types of rainwater harvesting systems, and we provide as per the client requirements and site applications. These rainwater harvesting systems can install at housing society, commercial buildings, small buildings, bungalow schemes, industries, warehouses, gardens, grounds, and the places from where we can collect the rainwater for storage and recharging purpose. Now, the main question arises, why you should install our rainwater harvesting system in your premises? It is because, as we know, the groundwater table is decreasing day by day. Earlier, we were getting the water around 150 to 200 feet below the ground level, and now we are getting water below 500 feet. And sometimes there is no water available at all. We can overcome this terrible situation by installing osmosis rainwater harvesting systems and techniques. For more information about our company, you can visit our website www.osmosisindia.com, and please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Please like, share this video as much as you can, because our mission is save water and save earth. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more informations and press the bell icon to get the notifications when we upload our new videos. Thank you for watching this video, and please be safe and take care of your health. We'll see you in the next video. Jai Hind.